2018 Pacifica. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window wiper, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, overhead console, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. Your new ride is just a phone call away.